Hey guys, I'm Sue again. So today is very special day today. I'm at the manufacturer of the HANB peptide collagen, and here is the CEO of HANB.
안녕하세요, 핸디비 대표입니다.
Okay, so today we're going to check out the step of the process of HANB. So exciting to get there. So let's get into it.
So before I entered the manufacturer, I saw a lot of Pharmtech Korea certificates hanging on it. They are one of the largest health and supplements manufacturer in Korea. And look at these certificates. They have CGMP, US FDA, HACCP, and more.
So we're at the meeting room of the Pharmtech Korea because before we get into the process Q&A system, we first need to hear the warning because we're like the first visitor up here. Yeah, so we're waiting for them now.
있는지 확인할 테니까 잠깐만.
네, 감사합니다.